kitchen. Thank you for joining me, and today's recipe is from my 4 Seasons Ninja Foodie cookbook, and in there you'll find the full list of ingredients. And if you need any of the equipment that I use during the recipe, then just go over to my website and it'll be linked on my accessories page for you. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And if you're new to Susannah's Kitchen, then subscribe to my channel for new weekly content. I'd love to see some of your creations, so don't forget to add them to my Facebook group and tag me in on my social media platforms. The links are all down below in my description. So I think we've got everything covered. Let's start cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy pak choi noodle stir fry with soy sauce. It's got a bit of chili sauce in there, some rice vinegar and sesame oil to make a really beautiful dressing for this. I'm making this just for one person. You can double up the ingredients if you wish to, triple up, etc. But I do know a lot of people say to me, can you just make, recipes as one portion as well as doing everything else I normally do? So here I've got some cashew nuts. We're starting off with them. I'm going to put them straight in the pot and we're going to just toast those off. Okay, I've removed the cashew nuts. They've got a little bit of brown on the outside, exactly as I wanted them. Whatever noodles you choose to use, you need to cook them as per the packet instructions. That might be just microwaving them or softening on the hob. Sometimes they have just a little bit of hot water needed. So we're going to put in some vegetable oil, or you can use olive oil or whatever oil you wish to use. We're on sear and saute still, so that's going to get hot quick. And the first thing I'm going to add is the ginger. Oh, that's sizzling. And the spring onion. It's a pretty healthy, nice, quick meal, this one. So I think you're going to enjoy this. I've got some fresh garlic that I'm putting in, and I'm just going to give this a minute, not probably less. Minute is going to be max, 30 seconds probably. We don't want to burn the garlic in there. Then I'm going in with red pepper. So I've just sliced the red pepper. Then in with your mushrooms. And again, they're sliced nice and thin. And that way they're going to cook quick and easy. We've got a nice flavour base there. I love having garlic and ginger in a stir fry. With your cashew nuts, you can leave them whole or you can chop them up to put on the top. That's really up to you. And then we go in with the pak choi. Now with the pak choi, it doesn't take very much cooking. So you probably want to get to a point where you're happy that your mushrooms and peppers are starting to soften a little bit before you add that in. The sauce is really easy to create as well. So we need around 20 ml roughly of soy sauce. We want some chili sauce of some sort, up to you. I'm using sriracha, rice vinegar, and then some sesame oil. Give that a little mix. And that is all there is to making that little sauce for your stir fry. Let's get the pak choi in. In with the pak choi. It doesn't take very long to wilt down, so make sure that you've got your noodles more or less ready. I don't know if I mentioned this already, but obviously this is a veggie stir fry. So anybody that watches my videos and is looking for another veggie option, this is a great one. And I think with this type of dish, when it's got loads of flavour, you don't miss having the meat there too much. My noodles are in. I'm using some rice noodles. This is just right for one portion. And let's get that lovely dressing or stir fry sauce in there. Just going to scrape off what's left on my spoon there. And give that a good stir. It's not going to take much to heat through. That looks lovely. And we are ready to now top that with those cashew nuts and serve that up.
To purchase any of my cookbooks with delicious recipes just like this one, please head over to my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk.